What's going on, nieces and nephews? Uncle Phil here, back today with a new Sprint Booster install on this 2017 Toyota CHR. Now, the CHR is a very popular commuter from Toyota, very fun to drive. Now, from the factory, you might notice there is a little bit of delay when you first press on that gas pedal. Unfortunately, that's programmed by Toyota from the factory. However, we're going to install a Sprint Booster V3 on this particular model, and we're going to eliminate all that lag, make it feel like a throttle by cable car that you used to drive back in the 80s and 90s. All right, let's get right into it. The first thing we do when we start is we're going to want to take our key fob and leave it about 15 to 20 feet away from the vehicle. Now we're ready to do the install. The first part of the install is going to require you to go into the driver's side footwell and locate the throttle pedal assembly. Now, on top of that, you're going to notice a 2-pin connector. Unplug the wiring harness from the top of the pedal assembly. From there, you're going to unbox your Sprint Booster V3. You're going to notice in the box there's a user's manual, a tie wrap, provided adhesive, as well as the selector switch and the Sprint Booster V3. Now we're going to take our selector switch and we're going to set that puppy to automatic. Then we're going to take our Sprint Booster V3 and we're going to plug the selector switch into the Sprint Booster. Let's plug the Sprint Booster in line with the throttle pedal assembly and the wiring harness. You're going to want to turn on your Sprint Booster. From there, you'll be able to cycle through sport and race mode, where you'll find 9 levels of adjustment in both sport mode and in race mode. On top of that though, you do get the added valet mode along with pedal lock mode. Now, pedal lock mode is an awesome feature, often underrated, and it's a great theft deterrent when you're looking for that little extra bit of safety for your vehicle. Okay, that about wraps it up for the install for today on this 2018 Toyota CHR. If you've got a Toyota that you'd like us to do an install feature on, just let us know in the comments below. Or if you're looking for more information on Sprint Booster V3s, check us out at our website at www.sprintboosterusa.com. Also, be sure to like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Sprint Booster USA. All right, guys,